Hi, I'm Doug Smitty of Smitty's Gardening Services, here on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. Today we're here to talk about starting your plants from seeds. Okay, now remember before we put 2 or 3 seeds per cell, and in this case we happen to have 2 that germinated. We want to cut it down to 1. Only the strong shall survive, as they say. Now as you look at these 2, I would say this one would be the stronger one. It's pretty well centered in the cell, so I'm going to eliminate this one. What you don't want to do is pull these seedlings out. That's probably the faster, easier way to do it, but what you're going to end up doing is disturbing the root system of the remaining seedling. Remember, these are just little babies and they're very sensitive. So what I do is just take a pair of kitchen scissors and very carefully I'll move that soil away a little bit and just snip, just like that. You can even leave that seedling in there if you want, or you can take it out. It's hard to do, leave it in there, because it's just going to break down and add a little fertilizer to the soil. So now we've left the 1 seedling, and it's ready to go.